Hi, this is a small introduction for a browser extension I built for looking at Unity asset files with GUIDs and resolving those GUIDs to the asset names. This is especially useful when you do PR reviews in the browser and want to know what the GUID actually refers to. In Unity, um, the asset we just looked at would look like this. So this is kind of where we want to go that I get information on the prefabs that are linked here. But it works for any asset in Unity because any asset has a GUID. Um, what you first want to do is install the package, the Unity package, to export all the GUIDs to a JSON mapping file. You can do that through OpenUPM, add the Git URL through the package manager, or go to the releases section and just download the Unity package. In my case, I will use OpenUPM um, to add this to the project because it's just the fastest way, I would say. Um, then Unity will recompile, and once that is finished, you have a new menu entry called assets generate GUID mapping. So if I run that, it will tell me that this was created 7,000 files in 200 milliseconds. It's quite fast even for bigger projects. And the mapping will be added to your root folder, and then in the builds folder it's called GUID mapping. If we take a quick look at the file itself, you can see it has a small section for some meta information if we ever decide to extend this file format further, and then a big list for mappings, which gives the GUID, and then in this case it's just a file name, but in the future we could also add stuff like, I don't know, the asset type or stuff like that. um, so now we have the GUID. Now we have to get this somehow to the browser, and this can be done with the extension I built. There, for now, I don't have it on the Chrome store, so you can use the developer mode in the Chrome extensions, and then click Load Unpacked, and then select from the Git project the Chrome folder. Just click Select Folder, then you get the Unity GUID resolver, and then you have the extension here. I will just pin it, and there I can say which mapping I want to use. So in my case, I will use this GUID mapping I just created. Click Select. There you can see it's all imported now. If I reload the page, normally it should work, um, but it depends a bit on the website you're using. So GitHub has some limitations, but for Bitbucket Server or for GitLab, those are two other ones I tested, it works kind of fine. And now you can see that for each of the GUIDs, so also, for example, for the script file itself, it will give me information, but also information on all the um, prefabs that are actually behind those GUIDs. Yeah, and that's kind of what this small thing does. For now, it's only a proof of concept, but if you like it, um, maybe I will work further on it. Thanks a lot. See you soon.